All teams, stop. Ready when you are.
Entry team, this is Talk. There may be one or multiple active shooters on site. Move quickly and clear the area.
Shit, man.
Police, drop the weapon! Drop it now! Hands
right,
up! Drop
fuck.
the weapon!
You got me. You got a lighter?
Don't you fucking move.
Yo, what the fuck?
Talk. Suspect standing by for transport.
Talk to entry team. Keep going.
What am I supposed to do? Go to work? Fuck that.
Police, you're under arrest! Drop the weapon and put it down! No, drop the weapon!
Way. The gun's down. I don't have any more.
Get down now! Hands up, asshole! Police, hands on your... Drop the weapon
Be
now!
careful, there's civilians in there.
I need you to move. Drop the weapon and put your hands on... Down on your knees! Slow down and keep your hands up! Move towards me. Get down on your knees, hands up! Fuck. Lead to talk. We have a suspect in custody.
Talk to Element. Trailer's incoming.
Calm down.
I do nothing. I was just out here getting gas. Give me my phone call.
Element to talk. We got a suspect here ready for trailers.
Talk here. Continue mission.
Police, get your hands up! Get down! I want to see hands! Police, don't fucking move! Police, get down! Get down on the floor right now! Down on your knees!
I'm listening.
Hands on your head, now!
Where did I put my cigarettes?
Turn around slowly. You're under arrest. Do not move.
This isn't over.
Entry team to talk. Suspect in custody.
Talk here. Trailer's inbound.
Get on the ground now! Drop the weapon and put your hands up! Move forward. Move to the sound of my voice. Dynamic movement, flash and clear. Turn around and stay still. Hold here. Holding.
I'm not going anywhere with you. Just relax.
Drop to your knees!
else, officer.
Move over here. Stay where you are.
Yeah. I've been through this before.
Talk. The suspect secured.
Element, this is Talk. Trailers en route.
You first. I'm not going anywhere with you. Fuck you. You put yours down. You can go ahead. Yeah, watch it.
Down on the ground! Move! Hands up! Do it now! Get on the ground, now! Put your fucking hands up!
Fuck!
Turn around. Relax.
You're wasting your time, copper.
Lead to talk. Suspect restrained and under our control.
Element, this is Talk. Trailers are ready.
LSPD, come out now! Hands up! Down on your knees! Police, down on the ground!
Oh, God. Can't be real.
Stay calm.
Hey, what did I do?
Element to talk. Civilian in custody and secured.
Entry team, this is Talk. Trailers standing by.
I ain't do shit. I was picking up some stuff.
Police, don't move! Police, hands up now!
Okay, take it easy,
Get
man.
down on the ground now! Drop the weapon and get down!
I give
Hands up now! Drop to your knees! Stay down and turn around. Don't resist.
Fucking LSPD!
Entry team to talk. We have one suspect in custody.
Lead, this is Talk. Trailers inbound.
Let me see those hands! Hands on your head! Move! Police, hands up! Hands up!
Trouble.
Turn around, don't get up.
I'm not scared of you,
Do not move.
sons of bitches. Come back here, you pussy.
Talk. Suspect secured.
Hey, there's
Talk
people
reporting.
over here. Help
Notifying
us,
trailers.
please.
Keep your hands behind your back.
Get off me.
Lead to talk. Civilian restrained and ready for transport.
This is Talk. Trailers notified.
Go, get out.
Hands on your head! Do it! Drop the weapon now! Drop it! Put the weapon down! Freeze! Police, get down! Drop your weapon! Get on the fucking ground! Do it now! Police, get down on the ground! Police, drop the weapon! Drop it now!
Don't shoot.
Hands on your head! Put your hands up! Get down now! Down on the ground now! Hands up above your head!
Why should I?
Move and stay there. Keep your hands up! LSPD, don't move!
I'm not going anywhere with you.
Move over there. Hands up above your head! Down on your goddamn knees now! Hands up now! Put your hands up! Get down on your knees! Hands up! Do it now! Get down!
Please.
Get down! I want to see hands!
Can we
Put
just
your
talk
hands
about
up!
this?
Police, get down!
Officer, please. I'll do whatever
Get down
you
and
say.
keep your hands up!
Dude, what
I
the
need you to
hell did you
move.
do?
I've heard enough, okay? Shut
Move
it.
towards me. Get down on your knees, hands up!
Please, asshole.
Turn around, keep your hands up.
Holy fuck, holy fuck!
Turn around slowly. Police, get your hands up! Turn around and stay still.
Just wait until my lawyer gets me out.
Element to talk. Suspect is restrained and ready for trailers.
Talk to
You
entry
need to
team.
relax.
Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Shit!
Entry team to talk. We have a suspect in our custody.
Talk to Element. Keep going.
Shoot!
Turn around. Look away. Don't move.
I didn't do anything.
Talk. Suspect in custody. Compliant.
Talk to lead. Proceed with mission.
Hey, wait!
Move forward. Stay here. Do not get in our way. Lead to talk. We have an individual in custody.
Talk reporting. Trailers on the way.
Fucking guy doesn't help, just screams all day. People watching my stream doing this crap.
Element to talk. Collecting evidence.
Talk to lead. Confirming
Entry team to
evidence
talk.
secured.
Evidence bagged.
Lead, this is Talk. Secure the area, and we'll send forensics in.
Stand up. Watch out. We finna blow your brains out. Ops talking tough.
Listen, I only downloaded games and movies, but that's it!
Please, over here. We
Get down! I want to see hands! Stay here.
Hey, over here, help us, please.
This is
Civilians
Talk.
secured.
That's how we get it done, folks. Roll in for debrief.